Introducing D.LAB 20-inch foldable bicycle with 7-speed Shimano gears. Get ready to go the long distance with D.LAB portable foldable bike, perfect for families and road trips. It's compact enough to be fitted at the trunk of your car, up to 3 bikes with ease. With its adjustable frame, seat and handle height, it can be used for ages from 9 onwards. At a weight of less than 12 kilograms, you can bring it out on public transportation or in your vehicle. Its Shimano 7-speed gear system allows you to climb up slopes. We manufacture this foldable bike for Subaru brand, and you will be amazed at the quality and design with the strictest requirements from D.LAB. D.LAB, your choice for manufacturing.